Good morning, it's me. I'm here. Let's do some eye makeup. I'm going to, taking advantage of being in Vegas with the extreme heat, and I'm going to do a wear test on this today. So I'm not going to do my foundation on camera, but this is what I'm going to be wearing, and you can just check my last post. Let's grab some clean canvas, and we're going to grab this C31. Nothing new here. Definitely not the jean hair stuck to the clean canvas. That's not new. Actually, that's a Dougie hair. Oh, my little Doug bug. Okay, so we're just going to apply this lid to our brow bone. And it can look absolutely feral for a second. And it's safe to say now that all of the brushes are almost sold out. And of course, they will be restocking. But since we didn't expect them to sell out the way that they did, it is going to be a little while. So if you don't want to wait, now is the time. Please notice that we could have done the tactic where they sold out in a week and been like, oh, they're restocked. We never did any of that. We just wanted to have brushes for everyone. But when Danessa Myricks was so lovely to post about the C41, they went wild and now they're sold out. We're very thankful, but yeah. If you want a brush, now's the time to get it. So y'all have seen that I'm actually in Vegas. I'm here for a conference. It's so pretty. The lights, the hotel I'm at is so pretty. I'll tell y'all the hotel once I leave. I'm sure most of y'all know that I don't drink alcohol, but the food. I had one of the best little crabby legs I've ever had in my entire crabby life last night. And it was just magical. I'll tell y'all where it is once I leave, but I'm blown away by the food. I feel like I'm just getting ready today to go eat more food. But if you guys have any more coffee suggestions, I'm willing to go outside of the hotel. Is there like a really yummy coffee place other than Starbucks, which we love Starbucks. Starbucks is just there. But I love local coffee shops. Is there any kind of local coffee shop here I need to try? So this is the palette that I always travel with. I'm filthy. Actually, I had some shavings get loose in there, so that's what that is from a pencil sharpener. This right here is such a beautiful palette. I already have one at home and that one looks way more used, but this is the one that I have in my bag for traveling. I'm gonna go ahead and link it right here for y'all. This is on the Sephora website. I'm telling y'all, it's just so good. It's so good. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this one on an E28 and press it in here just a little bit. I'm trying to keep my eye makeup a little more subdued today. I mean, y'all know that I get out of control so quickly. I will say last night, there were some rhinestones. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of this color, and it's actually a lot more pigmented than it looks. See? And then we'll just press that right on top. And just keep tapping until it starts to blend. Now, most of y'all know that I don't drink and I don't party. But I did bring Sheila, and it looks like she had a heck of a night last night. Y'all always ask me if I take Sheila. I absolutely do, because there's no way I'm gonna take one of these pretty hotel towels and dust a brush off on one. I just can't do that. I've never been able to do that. So Sheila gets to go on vacations. Now I'm gonna grab this shade, and we're gonna set the brow bone. And then bring it across here just to kind of smooth everything together. Aw, Benny just brought me my ring. I just noticed that I didn't have it. Actually, he noticed before I did. Thank you, Benny. Back in business. Okay, so I want to do the lid in the apricot color. It's so pretty. I'm just using whatever base is left in my brush. Okay, so this color is so pretty. So I mix this one, and then I mix this one, and then I go back in. And then this will be our lid color, and it's the prettiest apricot. I love it. So I just really make sure that I set all of that eyeshadow base. At this point, I feel bad for even labeling the brushes, but I'm getting a few DMs. I'll label it. I'll just put a link right here. This is the brush that I'm using right now. And yes, it's almost sold out. I'm sorry. Brown liner, because it's actually easier. I really do love this brown liner. And you know what? I might smudge this a little bit with the bronze eyeshadow. We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna grab this one. I grabbed a little bit just to kind of check. It's really pretty. Just kind of smudge this on top. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so once I did that, I just outlined the bottom and the top part of the wing. Easy peasy. All right, let's throw on some mascara. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What are you doing back there? He's doing stuff. There he is. Mascara. Essence Double Trouble. I'm gonna put on some lashes though. I mean, come on, I'm going to a makeup convention. I might as well wear some makeup. All right, so I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. And now we've lost, oh, there it is. I swear, lashes just, they try their best to run away. They're just like, and on today's adventure, honestly, no, it's still gone. I found it. Do y'all see this? I blame you, Benjamin. Okay, it was still running, but I was able to catch it.
Well, they got all them legs, honey.
They do have a bunch of legs. All right, again, Ardell 424s. Not cooperating. My fault though. I love these lashes. They're so pretty. There we go. All right, guys, this is where I'm going to leave y'all, but I'm doing a wear test, and I might pop back on later and touch up my makeup, and we'll hang out then. But I love you all so much, and I'll see y'all in a little while. We're at Cosmoprof. Of course, you know where I'm at. What do you do? Thank you, Benny. You're so, yes, we love that. We're having fun. But guess what?
Does this hurt?
It does hurt. You.